Welcome back to the Love Train Nation. I'm BobbieD. Today, we've got some interesting updates from the high seas. Let's dive right in. Here's what's making waves this week. On Friday, Philippine Coast Guard, PCG, reported a rather intriguing incident involving a Chinese-flagged vessel and a Filipino fishing boat near Paluan, Occidental Mindoro. PCG Commodore Admiral Galvin shared some insights on the ongoing situation.
The report says that the vessel is Chinese flag, and we now are coordinating with the flag state. May existing protocol tayo to go after maritime offenders of that nature. Any users of our seas, if they commit mistakes, they commit offense in our waters, we will go after them.
Admiral Galvin wanted to assure the public that the PCG is taking this matter seriously. This principle applies to all users of our seas. In case of errors or offenses in our waters, we are prepared to pursue them globally through established protocols with other Coast Guards. Love Train Nation, make sure to share your thoughts and comments below. If you found this video informative, please subscribe, hit that like button, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and let's keep riding the love train together. We'll see you in the next video.